he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Okay. So here we have to compare marbles. How many with Irfan and with Parmeet. In the question it is mentioned that Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than Parmeet has. How many times? 5 times. How many times? 5 times. Okay. So we don't know the amount of marble which Parmeet has. So what we can consider? Let Parmeet has X marbles. But if it is mentioned in the question, you have to take n as a variable in this question. So let's consider Parmeet has n marbles. Irfan has 7 more than 5 times Parmeet has. 5 times means you have to multiply by 5. 5 times Parmeet has whatever marbles plus 7 more. So this is your equation. 5n plus 7. Now in the question itself it is mentioned that Irfan has 37 marbles. Okay. In the question itself it is mentioned that Irfan has 37 marbles. So what is our equation? 5n plus 7 is equal to 37. If you want, you can write the answer in this way. Let Parmeet has n marbles. Okay, 5 times n is equal to what? 5n. 7 more is equal to what? 5n plus 7. And Irfan has how many marbles? 37. Okay. So what equation you have now? According to the question, plus 7 is equal to 37. So this way we can write the answer. You will get the idea or you will get the hint from the question itself. Okay. So this way we can solve the first question. Move on to the second question. Read the question properly. Write the given data, arrange them in a proper way so that you will be able to form an equation. Okay. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Here Lakshmi's age to be considered as y. So we have two persons, Lakshmi and her father. Obviously, the age of daughter is smaller than the age of father. What is given? We have to consider the Lakshmi's age is equal to y. And what is given over here? Lakshmi's father age is 49 years. Okay. Now, what is the condition given? He is 4 years older. Who is? Her father is 4 years older. Older means the age of her father is more than Lakshmi plus 4 years older is plus than 3 times Lakshmi's age, that is 3y, this 4y is for year. So what is the equation you can form? What is given? Lakshmi's father is 4 times older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay, and this answer is given, that is 49. Right? So what we can say? The equation is 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. So this is the answer, 3y plus equal to 49. This is also a condition which is equal to, actually the age of father is already given, and this is in terms of equation, right? So this way we can form the second equation. How we write this? Let Lakshmi's age is equal to y years. 3 times means 3y. 4 year older than plus 4. So 3y plus 4. But father's age is already given, that is 49. This way you can write your answer. Move on to the third question. Third question is, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by students in the class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Okay, so here we have two types of marks, lowest and highest. Right? Remember students, whenever you solve any kind of problem like age or in which you have to consider something variable. So always we think for the smaller quantity, that is lowest. So what we have to consider for this? L. Now what is given? Highest marks obtained by the students in the class is twice. This one is twice of lowest mark plus 7. Okay. Highest mark is equal to what is given? 2 times the lowest one plus 7 is given you the highest mark. And highest mark is already given. What is that? Highest mark is 87. So what we can write? This is equal to 87. So this way we can form the equation. We consider that lowest mark is equal to L. 2 times L is equal to 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 will give you 87. This way we can form the equation for the third question. Move on to the fourth one. The question is, in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Let the base angle be in degree. Remember that the sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. So first of all, we consider the isosceles triangle. We know that in isosceles triangle ABC, these two sides are equal, and this is your base. BC is your base, and these are the angle B and angle C. These are the base angle. And vertex angle is what? This one is your vertex angle. Okay. Now what is the condition given? So here we have two types of angles, vertex angle and base angle. Now what is given? The vertex angle is twice either the base angle. So we can consider like the base angle is B, which is already given. And vertex angle is twice of a base angle, either of a base angle. So what is the meaning of this? Twice either of the base angle. So this is your 2B. Okay. Vertex angle is twice either of base angles. Here we have two base angles. So anyone we can consider by, because base angles are equal in measurement. Okay. So either we can take this base angle or we can take this base angle. But we cannot take both the angles. So vertex angles now we have 2B, base angle is B. And what is the sum of angle of all the angle of triangle is equal to, sum is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So first vertex angle is 2B plus second angle is B plus third angle is, which is equal to 180 degree. B 2B plus 2B will give you 4B is equal to 180 degree. So this is our equation, right? So what is our equation? 4B is equal to 180 degree. So this way we can form an equation. In the next part we will see how to solve this equation. Now we know how to form an equation. In the next video, we will see how to solve this equation and find the value of variable. Thank you.